How do you use bleach to deter rats?
Welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, we will be discussing how to use bleach to deter rats from invading your home or property. Rats can carry diseases and cause damage to your property, so it's essential to find effective ways to keep them away.
What do you need?
Before we dive into the process, let's gather the materials you will need. 1. Bleach 2. Water 3. Spray bottle 4. Gloves 5. Protective eyewear 6. Cloth or rag.
How do you make the bleach solution?
To create an effective bleach solution to deter rats, follow these simple steps. 1. Put on your gloves and protective eyewear to ensure your safety while handling bleach. 2. Mix 1 part bleach with 9 parts water in the spray bottle. This will create a 10% bleach solution that is strong enough to deter rats but safe for most surfaces. 3. Shake the spray bottle well to mix the bleach and water thoroughly.
Where should you apply the bleach solution?
Now that you have the bleach solution ready, it's time to identify the areas where you should apply it. Focus on areas where rats are likely to enter or congregate, such as entry points like holes, gaps, or cracks in walls or floors, garbage bins and surrounding areas, food storage areas, dark, secluded areas like basements, attics, or crawl spaces.
How do you apply the bleach solution?
To apply the bleach solution, follow these steps. 1. Spray the bleach solution generously on the identified areas, making sure to cover all possible entry points and hiding places. 2. If you prefer, you can also soak a cloth or rag in the bleach solution and wipe down the areas instead of spraying. 3. Allow the bleach solution to dry completely before allowing pets or children near the treated areas.
How often should you reapply the bleach solution?
To maintain the effectiveness of the bleach solution, reapply it once a week or after heavy rain. Regular reapplication will help ensure that the smell of bleach remains strong enough to deter rats from your property. By using bleach as a rat deterrent, you can reduce the risk of rat infestations and the problems they cause. Remember always to prioritize safety when handling bleach and to reapply the solution regularly for maximum effectiveness. Happy rat proofing!